truck in the strip and my windows is tinted. Let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi. We getting it all over the place. This is why I need the family. This is why I need.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annika. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So we're going to just see a song and then I'm gonna stop the song and say my 2 cents about what she's saying. Basically saying how I feel about the song, I guess. So let's get into it. So, are you ready? Yeah, let's go.
Hi, Billy Moon.
Hey, beautiful. Got the gifts I sent you.
I did. I'm actually eating them right now.
You eat roses now?
Roses?
I didn't see the video, right? I saw the video, right? But I'm just wanna, you know,
treating them right now.
say
You already knew your accent.
my opinion
I'm actually gonna go into a meeting.
on what the word's saying, pretty much. The way she hang on the phone. Oh.
Yeah. Me, I did 2 people at the same time. Just weighing my options. Playing 2 might end up in some problems, but
Okay, the part here. Why you have to end up in problems if you're single? You're single and you're dating 2 people at the same time. Why should it be problems? Nobody know own you. You don't belong to nobody. Why should I be in problems? It should be okay. This is remind me of people saying I'm single and I'm single and going through relationship problems. Like what? It shouldn't even go like that though. If you're single, you shouldn't even be dealing with that at all because we're single. Heavy on yours. Oh, my voice was short. Heavy on we're single, so it shouldn't be a problem if I'm dating 2 people if I want to. Honestly though, when I'm single, I am single right now. I don't know why I do this, but I stick to dating 1 person instead of multiple. I used to, back in the day, I used to date multiple. Yeah. But at my age, I try to stick to 1 person. Yeah. Because I can't bother. It's just too much. It's just too much. But maybe I can't put how you say? Can't put all your eggs in 1 basket. You gotta date around and see who the best candidate is. Okay? Because if you put your egg in 1 basket, that's when these act up. And that's how you gotta show them that, listen, you ain't the only one, okay? You just for the moment. There's up. But yeah, it's facts though. Anyways, back to the song.
and I cheat just a day by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it wrong. If you try,
That's facts. Protect yourself, okay? Always and forever protect yourself. I understand. Sometimes you don't want to, use the rubber, but you're supposed to. Because these men out here, some of these men, I should say, not all of them. I don't believe all men is dogs. I honestly, truly, and believe that there are good men out there. I just haven't met one yet. Yeah, I'm trying to be honest. Honestly, yeah, we know. Like, it'd be really good when there's no rubber. But honestly and truly, we need to use rubber. We need to use rubber. We do. I'm talking to myself too. But like I said, and then get tested. That's the thing. If you're not gonna use rubber, make sure you get tested. Don't make them boy out there play with you and bring disease on something to you. Don't do it. Don't do it. Get tested. Get tested. You're too old to not get tested. You're supposed to get tested for everything. Okay? And if you're gonna have, like, every time you get a new partner, you're supposed to get tested. Whether you're in a relationship or you're single, still get tested because you don't know what that person doing. You don't know what that man doing, okay? So get tested. Alright, Cancer. Okay. listen, I'm serious.
If you try to stop me from do what I want, me and none of them love you can't give me no talk. Just a
You get a part there? This go back to the part of she said, might have been some problems. It shouldn't end up in no problems because you ain't like you just said right here, boo. You ain't in no day so you can't get no talk. Or it's gonna end up in no problems if you're not on the day. You ain't never day, you can't get no talk. You can't tell what you do. Period. Period. You cannot tell me what to do. Because me and you, not there. You're just for the moment. That's basically what the song is saying. You're just for the moment. Me and you not there. So you can't tell me what to do. You cannot tell me what to do. Period. Okay? Alright. It's facts though. I love that part though. Because I don't like women telling me controlling. You cannot control me. I do not like to be told what to do, and it's the way how you say it too. No, you can tell me what to do in a sexy way, but don't demand it, because then I'm not gonna be like, who the hell are you talking to? Not me.
give me no talk. Just I be myself and I play my part. If you fall in love, then that's your fault. You know, say it might sound crazy, but till my
She's saying, you know what it is. You know what you sign up for. So if you're falling in love with her, it's not her fault because she's still gonna be dating other people. She's not gonna just stop a shadow and deal with you because that wasn't the plan. When you meet her, you didn't know say she's dating other people. So she's not gonna just stop and just choose you just because they fall in love. Just because they fall in love with her, she's not gonna do it. That's what she's saying in this part. Let me break it down for you if you don't understand. Shanti a bad girl, me love her. She a bad girl. Bad girl that. I love Shanti though. Like, oh, she is so pretty. I love her. Yeah. What she say? Yeah, that part. I was gonna say something, but I'm gonna leave it for another video. I feel like I'm start making videos like these now because I'm trying to, be more open and not so shy and be myself.
you have to share me. You are not me man.
Until she pick you, you have to share her, okay? Because that's what you sign up for. You sign up knowing that she's gonna date other people. You're just an option, basically. If man can do it, woman can do it. And why, when woman do it, I'm gonna call them. This is what I don't like about these. This is so, what do you call this now? One-sided. That's not the word I'm looking for. But it is one-sided. What's the word name again? With one thing work for the man and it can't work for the woman. What's that called again? Dang, I can't remember the word. But yeah, that's basically what she's saying. And you have to share her until she pick you, because it's all about her. It's not what you want. It's what she wants. Pretty much is what Shanti is saying. And the way you want, how me wants. So until me pick you, if me pick you, you have to share me. Pretty much.
Man have to explain, man have no obligation. Journey might be slow, but
Yeah, what she said? She don't have to explain nothing to you, sir. Because she's not obligated to you. You know, own her.
journey might be slow, but make sure say I the one. So me have couple of in a rotation.
Journey might be slow, but me have to be sure say you're the one. Meaning, she have to like you first before she love you. Because some people, I'm not sure people that them don't like. Them don't like. They like the way they don't like the way they chew, they like the way they eat, they like the way they walk. No, for real. It's true. So that's what she said. Take things slow So you can meet me. I already know. Meet me requirements. Yeah. And to see if I like you that much to be with you. Heavy on the like you. Listen, you have to like people before you date them. Before you deal with them, I should say. That's what I always say. Date people you like. Because some people out here, they date people they don't like. And I'm not gonna do that. Because if you do some shit that I don't like, I'm gonna let you know that I don't like it. And if you, and it's heavy, it's different, it's complicated, because you tell somebody you don't like something and it's like they're saying to you, oh, so you're trying to change me. It's not about changing you, it's the fact that I don't like what you're doing. And if that's part of you, then we're just not gonna work. And then I'm not trying to change nobody, you're just not gonna have me. I'm just gonna leave. That's it. I'm not changing nobody. I'm just telling you what I don't like. And basically, if you don't fix it, I'm out. That's just what it is. It's the same. It's like you telling me you don't like my attitude. And if I don't fix it, you gonna leave, right? Okay. Because I know my attitude stink. Nobody gonna tell me that. I know that for a fact. I know that's one thing I have to work on, is my attitude. My attitude, my patience, and something else. I'm not a very affectionate person. I'm not. I don't like clinginess too much. You know what? That's a different video. Never mind. I'm gonna speak on that. Yeah, I'm gonna speak on that in a different video as to, you know, what I like and what I don't like. But anyways, yeah. So yeah, they people that y'all like. Her needs have to be met. Whatever her standards is, whatever she wants from you, whatever she likes, basically everything. Her needs have to be met. And if they're not met, we're just not gonna get picked. Simple as that. Simple as that. So I'm just breaking out for the man them. If you now watch this, what female like, you know, this is what the video is about. What the female them like and what the female them don't like. She said her needs have to be met. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, she said, can you got to check? Alright, so men don't like when women talk about money. I think they don't like when women mention money soon. I think that's what it is. If they really like you, they will give you money. Yeah, they don't like when you ask them money too soon, which I understand, because why you asking a man that you just now talking to for money? Get it together, girl. The man them don't like that, so no, stop it. Stop it. Me not ask a man for a dime. Me never ask a man for money. No, yeah, I never ask a man for money. I don't ask men for money. You know what's funny? They very comfortable asking me though. That's so weird. Anyways, yeah. But I mean, you're Shansia, so if y'all trying to date someone like Shansia, of course you're gonna date probably somebody rich. So she won't expect money from you. Hello. But that's not my forte. Man, ask money for money. I don't like asking money for shit. If you're not gonna do it from your own, that's another video. That's another video. Hold on. Yeah. Anyways, let's go to the song. If you're the best candidate, you get elect. You hear what she said? Yeah. So Dolly said, if you're the best candidate, then you get elect. So you have to meet our standards. Yeah. Which is like you have to meet our needs. Yeah. You got yeah. Well, I'm not using my mic. I was supposed to use my mic and I hope y'all can hear me. I just forgot. Like it was charged. I forgot to use the mic. Anyways, almost finished anyway. But yeah, so yeah, if you have to meet our needs, our requirements and all those stuff to get elected, okay? To be the one for her. I enjoyed this video. But that was nothing to do with somebody the video. Whatever.
But if you want go, baby, you can go. I mean, would you blame you because me never claim you?
Alright, so she said if you want to go, you could go because she didn't claim you. So she wouldn't, you know, she's not blame you. She's not going to be mad or anything because she didn't claim you. So it's you can just pack up and leave. She wouldn't care because she have somebody else or she have other people. Pretty much is what the dolly is saying. She have other people so you can go with your business. Yeah, that's what she's saying. You're not gonna bother her if you leave. And that's what she said. Because she have other people. Use that option, okay? Yeah.
I ring my phone line and I ask when we are gonna spend time. Me I play two sides at the same time. Me just a mingle, baby got me outside. See, if you try to stop me from do what I want, me and none of them love it, can't give me the talk. This is just the warm up. You either complete or give it all up. And I promiscuous, just not get stuck.
And you know what's funny? Men do not like to compete. But they want we to compete though. But them don't want to compete. They want other option. And when I feel them turn, I think some of them don't mind. The one that don't mind is the one that don't want relationships. They don't care. But the one that actually do want relationships, it bother them. It bother them that you talk to somebody. They want to see your phone. Hey, well, sir, I may pay my phone bill. I know you pay it. I know you pay it. I may pay it, so you don't see my phone. Anyways, yeah. Period.
This a girl your head smart, she not get caught up too quick. Take my time.
She said she's taking her time. She ain't in a rush or nothing because once you deal with one man, you have to know say the man that you want to deal with. If you like the person, you have to like things about the person before you deal with the person. Pretty much. I think that's what she's saying. I think she's taking her time slow. Doesn't me too. I don't like to rush things. Men love to rush things. And when you rush things, that shit don't work. Take the time to get to know me. Take the time to get to know me. What y'all rush for? What y'all rush for? Where y'all run go? Where y'all go? Me, I don't rush things. Me, that turned me off. I don't like to. Don't rush me. With nothing. Do not rush me. I don't like to be rushed. I hate that shit. So, yeah.
Up all day, two people at the same time. I weigh my options, playing both sides at the same time.
You can't put in a problem. I don't know what you put the body in it. I'm not at the body. I'm not at the body. Because you're gonna put a problem if you have date people, you just say the man can't tell what you do. So you're not gonna put in a problem. She don't do the party. She never said a party. It sounds good with the song doing them, but the party never said because they can't tell her what to do. So you're in a problem. Do you understand? I think okay. Okay, now I understand what she's saying. Because at the beginning of the video, when she called the man and she thinks I him sending strawberries and somebody sending strawberries. So maybe that's what she's talking. Well, I think okay, that's what she's saying. But still, okay. Let me leave it this one. that's what she's saying. Okay. I think that's it. It's just something I review when she see it.
They try to stop me from do what I want. Me and none of them love it, can't give me no talk. Just a bit, I know I say it might sound crazy, but tell me if you have to share me.
I find this one so funny. Okay, that's a problem, Shana. But then again, she not make it as a problem because she left it to them there. And they want to walk with and they don't have to pay a bill. I guess that's the problem she's talking about. But she don't even care anyways, so it shouldn't be no problem still because she didn't care that they told them see each other. She walk away. So But that's something nice. I like it. Yeah, goodie. She's back. Dating season. It is. Period. Yeah, so this is the end of my review of Shenseea Dating Season. I love the song, even though I maybe question some words in it, but I love it. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You have a couple things money can buy, love you better go buy Dubai.